Hello, my name is Jamel Bobarak, and this is my screencast for MiU 1304, Project 4. This week, everything went pretty easy. I found it just time consuming because I was rewriting a lot of my code, and with two apps, each with 1600 lines of HTML code, plus the jQuery and theme roller theme pages, it makes it hard to pinpoint exactly what you need or want instantly right at that point in time. All in all, this week was fairly easy for me. This week, the most difficult part was the same as last week. I cannot get my JavaScript in my Gold app to function properly. It can be very frustrating, especially spending so much time on it with no success. It came to a point where I had to give up and start working on this week's assignment. This is one week where I used information learned in MMD and VFW. I used Illustrator to build my backgrounds and logos, and I used CSS knowledge from VFW to stylize my apps. This week I found myself on w3schools.com, stackoverflow.com, jQuerymobile.com for the theme rollers, and I used the developer window in Safari a lot this week to find out what to target in order to stylize certain sections of my app. I'm now going to show you my apps to justify why I implemented certain designs to create my apps, the good and the bad. So, as you could see, this would be my Gold app right here. I ended up using few hues, so everything just kind of blends in together. The deep background I have right back here, which I created in Illustrator. It's just a striped with a gradient above it that the opacity is turned down a little bit. I streamline my branding. I have the small logo in the top left corner. All of this, no matter what page you go to, it stays right there, looks the same. I mean, every single page that you go to. Personalized all the colors. I ended up changing the gradients on these. I mean, I used my own colors that I've been using throughout for my app, and I just changed some gradients in them, and it modified everything. So everything is my own little personal touch in here. Now on the Bronze app, this one is kind of like, whoa, as soon as it comes on, you know, that might have been my aha moment, is just almost laughing when I implemented this. I liked it for a little bit, and then I'm just like, and as you can see, I was trying to get the same type of look as my actual Escatec desktop website. In the future, I'm still going to try to do this. I want to try and give it the same type of look, so it feels like you're in the same place. But what I ended up doing is I gave this is the background that I first started. My other one, I gave it more of a brushed aluminum look. You know, I mean, you got the gradient that's back in here, that it kind of goes dark. I mean, there's about 6 different colors in here, so it goes dark light, you know, like it's shiny. And then I gave it some lines in the background that were originally vertical, but I rotated them. I liked them better this way. I still do like the background, but I almost like my striped background a little bit better for the look of my Gold app. The blue, just I feel it's too bright. I made all of my buttons match the same background and everything. This app works completely fine from everything. Well, it did. I hate when stuff works like that. I need to refresh these before I do this, but everything works in this correctly. I wish it did in my Gold app. Oh, also here, this is the incorrect streamlined branding. I blew up my logo, I centered it on the top there, and my logo on every single page goes directly back to the home page. But you can see every page my logo is big on the top of the page. Thank you and good luck in next course.